Today, I'm gonna take just 5 minutes to explain how billionaires actually become a billionaire. Imagine this. You start by finding a group of people, maybe by sending DM them, whatever method, whatever, and you add them into a group. Then you ask each person to bring in 5 of their closest friends. It doesn't matter who. Your grandma, your mom, your best friend, your gay buddy, whoever. Just 5 people, and that's it. And now you've got 100 people in the group. Each of them brings in 5 more. So that's an extra 500 people. Now those 500 each find 5 of their own, which adds up to 2,500 new members. And the 2,500 each bring in 5. Doesn't matter who, your mom, your grandma, your best friend, your gay buddy, whoever. That adds 12,500 new people. When you stack that on top of everyone before, the group has now grown to 15,600 people. In 5 days, I repeat, 5 days. Now, there are 15,600 Muslims in the group in total. And if I were to tell all the Muslims to buy my digital marketing course, and it costs $100 US, and if you were to do the math, $100 x 15,600 Muslims, that's instantly 1.5 million. And if I were to take the revenue, I go to the bank and I ask for a loan, or whoever is willing to give me a loan for 4x. And now I have 6,240,000. And I'm thinking, yeah, why not? Let me just give it back to the community, to the Muslims. And if I were to divide the number, everyone else get $400 by just buying my digital marketing course. Now, I'm thinking, what if I would like to multiply this pool of money by asking the 15,200 Muslims to buy my digital marketing course again? And I go to the bank to repeat this process and later repay everyone an incentive. Now Elon Musk is listening. Now, I go back to my 15,600 Muslims and I tell them, Assalamu alaikum. If you guys would like to do a one-on-one with me on how to run AI marketing, $400 per session, and I hope you can create a movie to bomb the Japanese. Now, everyone likes the idea. I teach them how to create AI movies. I collect the revenues, head straight to anyone willing to loan me a 4x loan. Diddy Bang says, sure. Now I have 24,960,000. And I tell everyone, guys, thank you for supporting me. I don't need money. I want you to win. Every Muslim's got a check of $1,600 the next day. Now, 2 days later, I'm thinking and sketching for round 3. I have a surprise for them. And I go back to my Muslims. And I tell them, guys, if you would like to talk to the experts, I've gathered all the marketing experts. I want to see you win. 2 days later, everyone was happy to meet the experts. I collected my revenues, 24,960,000. And I go to the bank, and when the big banks gave me my check, I took a photo of me inside the vault, beside the stash of cash, and I record a video and tell everyone, guys, I want you to win and take over the world. And I gave them a check of 6,400 immediately. Now, it's not just Elon Musk is listening. Warren Buffett is also listening. And I go on with the same bullshit, expanding the initial pool of money, round 4, round 5, round 6. And guess what? At round 6, still, remember, there's a celebrity, the psycho who screamed heavenly loud that I made $1 billion. That's when his black gospel album was released. He made it to round 6. And now, you've got choices. You can sell the company off for a higher valuation. You can pull the plug, take the $409,600 incentive, and disappear. Or you can keep playing the game. Round 7, Haunji Oito. Round 9. It can go on forever. But somewhere down the line, may be in one of those rounds, some fucked up. So here is how billionaires actually get to the billionaire title. So, thank you for listening. Before that, I need 2 favors from you. 1. Share this video to one of your gay buddy. This would make my day. 2. 1% of total population is in finance. Shame amongst the percent one most didn't enroll into political economics. But well, if you would like to find out how to get to round 3, click the link below. You probably don't know which money printer to go to, or even aware the backbone gaming structure of this monopoly system. Click in the link below. You then now provide me the incentive to create level 1 simplified language. Most channels here are on level 50. If you browse through my channel, mostly at level 3 simplified. Lastly, if you were to divide total M0 base money, supply and divide for everyone in the world, how much would everyone have? $1,050 per person. And you think the wealthy and the government are not trying to snatch away some of your monthly paycheck? Ha!